Hello, and welcome to this product demo of IncentiFind Pro. IncentiFind Pro is a first-of-its-kind incentive search tool, and it connects directly to our application fulfillment services so that searching and saving go together seamlessly. Users can explore our now comprehensive database of green building incentives with custom search filters. They can research incentives at the market level, and they can create property-specific incentive reports. These reports will move users into Apply services, where our team in application fulfillment captures maximum incentive savings on our users' behalf. To get started, users will navigate to IncentiFind Pro on the top menu bar of our homepage. Here, unregistered users will find the sign up page. Users can start the sign up process easily from the top of this page, or they can scroll down for a detailed overview of the key features, use cases, and pricing for IncentiFind Pro. The use cases are based on our top IncentiFind Pro personas: commercial building owners, architects, sustainability consultants, and contractors. What these use cases have in common is that IncentiFind Pro is a research tool that delivers critical insights to decision makers. You will see pricing, which is either billed at $500 a month or $5,000 a year for a $1,000 savings. Regardless of the billing structure, IncentiFind Pro users sign up for an annual contract. The subscription pricing is for a single user, but users can share their incentive search results by generating a verify report. Finally, you will see an overview of how IncentiFind Pro moves users through our simple three-step process: search, apply, and save. I'm actually going to walk you through those three steps in this demo. So from here, let's log in. Now, new users to IncentiFind products will create an account if it's their first time logging in by clicking on the sign up link here in the top right. Account creation is simple. Users will enter their email and a few other details, create a password, and verify their account through their email. For existing IncentiFind users, there is no additional sign-up process required to purchase an IncentiFind Pro subscription. To start their subscription, users will complete a Stripe checkout page, and once their payment processes, they will see IncentiFind Pro in their account dashboard. I'm already logged in, and I'm already signed up for an unlimited account. So let's go to the main IncentiFind Pro dashboard. This page is where users query our database. It is an incentive search tool that pulls from the extensive data we manage and maintain in our database. With this search tool, users can now research incentives to see what's possible and collect valuable insights for decision makers. Users can run a keyword search, typing in words like EV charging station or geothermal heat pump. For example, I'll type in heat pump and hit submit. Look at that. We have about 1,400 different results that incorporate the word heat pump. Users can refine their search results by applying filters. For example, asset type, which includes things like commercial air-conditioned storage, agriculture, residential, and many others. Utility providers, all utilities local to a selected area will be featured here. Funding type, like rebate, tax, and grant, including their relevant subcategories. Implementing sector, like federal, state, local, and others. And tech category, like renewables, energy efficiency, and water conservation, plus many others. IncentiFind Pro will populate results based on the keywords and search filters selected. Search results populate as a high-level overview that includes the incentive name, the administrator name, category, funding type, and implementing sector. Users can filter by favorited incentives by clicking this button, which toggles between viewing their saved incentives or all incentives the search result yielded. As you can see here, I've already favorited 3 different incentives. Users can also filter incentives that are applicable to a certain property. As you can see, IncentiFind Pro is a highly customizable, user-friendly search tool. It allows users to conduct comprehensive research and manage those research findings easily. Users can get detailed information on any incentive in their search result by clicking on it. They can quickly get a summary of the incentive program, the eligibility requirements, and a timeline. These appear in drop-downs at the top of the program detail page. There is also a feature that lets users comment, which creates a community for our users. As users share their experiences with specific incentive programs, they contribute to a growing community of incentive users, and they also inform us of additional updates we need to make to our data. For example, I might write, "Hey, this incentive was really fun to apply to." Within their IncentiFind Pro accounts, users can easily share search results with their clients and collaborators by generating a Verify report. Verify reports can be accessed in the main dashboard. As you can see, I've already run 2 of them, and I can share them here. Once users find incentive programs that interest them, they can click this easy-to-find Help Me Apply button. This button directs them to a simple intake form, which will initiate the process of application fulfillment through our apply team. Most commercial properties are eligible for a minimum of 3 rebate programs, but over 50% of these properties will not capture any rebate dollars on their own because incentive applications are so lengthy and tedious. The apply team increases success rate of incentive capture with dedicated application monitoring, monthly updates, relationships with utilities, and incentive expertise. To ensure that incentive program funding doesn't run out, our team gets to work when we get an intake form. We can start to reserve incentive program funding as soon as a scope of work is defined. IncentiFind Pro unlocks a first-of-its-kind search tool. Users can quickly and easily conduct their own incentive research and locate critical insights. They can take their findings to contractors, clients, and collaborators to bring incentives strategically into their decision-making process. The apply team then streamlines incentive capture by managing application fulfillment and ensuring that customers capture the maximum amount of savings possible. With IncentiFind Pro, users move seamlessly from search to apply to savings. Thank you for watching this demo.